say you have some expensive camping gear such as titanium pots and pans, mugs and all that you wouldn't want to put them on wood fire on an open flame to get them, you know, dirty and black and smoked and all that. So what do? You get one of these. It's a simple gas burner, really. A very inexpensive gas burner. It's also small, as you can see, so you can pack it in any little rucksack and all that for shorter trips if you want, and take it anywhere with you. But this being gas, is not gonna smoke, or it shouldn't smoke your expensive pots and pans. This one, it's a foldable little burner. As you can see, just these three little things, click them in place, and yeah, the gear's got a piezo ignition system right here, so press on it and you'll get a little spark right there. And basically on this side you attach your gas bottle. Now with the gas bottles, there's a couple of types of them. This is the screw on type. The screw on type bottles are bigger, are not harder to find, but they are more expensive than the bayonet type bottles, gas bottles. And basically it's up to you which bottle you want to use with it, but I went and I want to use one of these cheap ones, the bayonet system. And for this I need an adapter, which I've got for a couple of quid. It's right here. I haven't tried it yet, but what do? You just should screw this on like so, and it looks like it's screwed on. I have it quite tight right here. Okay, and I'm gonna place this on the gas bottle through the bayonet system. Let's see exactly how it goes. Okay, so undo this bit, place it onto this and press, and then lock it in. My gas bottle is now locked in, and let's see if we have any gas pressure. This is the little knob that opens and closes the gas. I do hear the gas coming here, and I'm going to try it with the ignition system right here on the table. I'm not going to burn anything down. And we have a flame. Now, from this knob you regulate the flame, big or small. It's quite powerful. And like I said, it won't do any damage to your expensive titanium little pots and pans that you use for camping. A neat little trick, this with the adapter on. Again, you can quickly undo it rather than screw it on, and if you want, just undo this again and just use a screw-on bottle if you have one. So very inexpensive. You will see the link in the description.